So Viture came out with some brand new glasses called the Viture Pro XR/AR glasses. So as you know in the channel before, I reviewed the Viture 1, which to be honest is one of my favorite glasses pairs of AR glasses, along with the fact that it does go ahead and give you an amazing app called Spacewalker, and of course paired up with the neckband. It's absolutely amazing. Now this is the brand new one that just came out recently, and this is the Pro XR/AR glasses. Now the big difference between the two is that this one does go ahead and give you a 135-inch display instead of a 120-inch display. Now it's kind of funny because that sticker right there actually said 120-inch, but the big thing with the new ones here is it's 135 inches. Now what you're going to see right away between the two boxes, and I'll put them side by side here, is that both of these boxes are very similar, but it's actually a little bit different. So first off, you don't have that little ribbon on the right hand corner here. You also don't have the glasses icon, and the new box is a little bit bigger than the old box. Now inside they're very similar, almost identical, but on the outside it's a tad bit bigger for the new one versus the old one. So just a little bit of changes, across the board here. So once I go ahead and take this out, let me go ahead and fix my camera here and zoom in for you guys. So you see less of my background and more of just, what you see in front of me. Is you're going to see one major thing, and that's actually the build quality. So my biggest issue with the Viture 1 was that the right side would never stay straight. It would always like fall down. I could never just hold them straight up. I'm going to show you guys in a second. And it's because I think the Viture 1, while it's a great headset, the build quality on the right hand thing, it was a problem. The new ones, not at all. And this is actually what I give a lot of credit to X-Real, was the build quality. Now, starting off right away, the size of the carrying case is bigger for the new one versus the old one. And it also feels in my hands a little bit better build quality for the new one versus the old one when it comes to the actual headset. Again, this might just be my personal, feeling. I might, not everyone's going to feel this, but for me, it feels a little bit better. Nonetheless, as always, you have your USB-C cable inside here, and it's inside this little sleeve as always. So everything, on the most part, looks exactly the same when it comes to the stuff that comes with the device. It's not like it's anything real different or, new or creative. It's kind of just the same exact product. But the real big difference, again, is under the hood when you're actually utilizing this product. So this is actually the old one. This is the Viture 1. And again, like I said, you're gonna be able to tell the difference because of one little thing on these headsets. But overall wise, the carrying case looks almost identical. So right here, I do have the cover on it. Let me take that off. And now we have the Viture 1, which I have my lens inserts. You can see how the right one, or the right side here, I have to hold it. It won't stay straight. It always falls in on itself, which again is just very annoying, and I'm not sure if it's the build quality problem, if I got a defective one or what, but that is definitely annoying. Not the case here, like as you can see right there, that right side just falls in every single time. It won't stay straight. Not a problem with the Viture 1, or sorry, the Viture Pro XR/AR glasses. They look very similar, okay? They really do. The big difference, or the thing that you can tell is different, is actually on the outside here. You see the orange versus the silver? Yeah, that's the big difference. That's how you can tell them apart. They're very similar, okay? They're very similar. Same price tag, same everything. Very similar. But again, after utilizing both of them, they feel the same as the AR ones, I'll be honest. The Viture ones. They feel exactly the same. The cover fits exactly the same as it would on the Viture ones. They're very similar. I can't say that enough, but overall wise, if you have not seen these are an amazing pair of AR XR glasses. I still personally love the X-Reals, but that's because I have a big head, and these aren't really made for someone with a big head. But nonetheless, they are still amazing glasses. They give you 120 hertz, full HD, ultra clarity displays. Harman stereo sound. They do, of course, have two different levels of adjustments. Again, I have videos on the channel breaking this all down, but they have two different levels of adjustments from light to dark. The Vitures are the best transparent glasses on the market. Like, I love the X-Reals, and I will rock them all day, every day. They are nothing compared to the Vitures. When it comes to clarity of hitting the button and going into clear mode, there's no comparison between the Viture ones or the Viture Pro XR/AR glasses and any other glasses on the market. You're gonna see light and day when it comes to that. But overall wise, again, like I said, just want to make a quick unboxing video here, show these off. Tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one.